Got the truck pulled in. Now we had to remove the back seat in order to get these body bushing bolts. Now you can take the seat folded up and you can get to the front ones there, but instead of half-assing it and putting holes in the carpet, you need to take the back seat out to fold the carpet up so you can get to the bolt there and one on that side. Okay guys, I'm gonna start undoing these torque bolts. They're a T55. These really weren't that tight, so I'm assuming someone's been here before, because usually these things are ugga-dugga tight. All right, let's see if I'll get lucky. Sweet. All right, so those came out. Don't lose your bolts. Go ahead and take that out. I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum the carpet, move this window motor out of the way. I'm gonna go ahead and fold the carpet up, then we get access to our 4 bolts. So to remove these bolts, you got 24 millimeter, you have one here, one there, and then you pull the carpet up more, and then there's more over there, so get those in a second. So when we zip these out, theoretically the mount should fall through the bottom. Or maybe not. We gotta keep going. So you can kind of see all the crap that's falling. So I'll have to come back to that one. They're probably seized in there. Okay, it's not a 20. All right, so it's a 21. Let me put my extra sockets here. That's how they're supposed to come out, just like that. And the mount should drop out when we get down there. So it's probably just stuck, but yeah, I'm wondering if it's just seized in there. Probably gonna have to put a pry bar on the bottom, pry up on it. But I mean, it doesn't look that bad. Hope you guys can see it. We'll go over to this side, and you guys can see this one came right out, and that's how they're supposed to come out. And then you can see this bushing totally just falling apart in my hands. So, okay you guys, so we went ahead and took the front bumper off. If you guys know, my truck has an Iron-Cross bumper. But in order to replace these front bushings the quickest and easiest and the proper way, you need to take this bumper off, because Fords have these channels where the frame runs through and it's hollow. So it's basically, it's an access hole to where you can get to that bushing in there. You can see I got a new sleeve and a new collar, because the original hole is right there, and there's no way there's not enough room to finagle the old bushing with the sleeve and the collar out from the bottom. What you need to do is you take your bumper off, and then you can get your finger in there to pull that out and put the new bushing on the collar, slide the collar back in, and then you just tighten it up till where the bushing starts to compress a little bit. Then you go ahead and put your washer and your nut back on the top, which you need to go ahead and do the same thing, change it on this side, and we're good to go. Alright you guys, I'm about to wrap up this video. I know it's been long. I know I probably cut some corners, it probably jumped around a little bit, but guys, I was more worried about getting my truck done. I needed to get the ass end together, I needed to get the leaf springs in with the new bushing, so it was all at night, so I didn't record any of that. I'll throw some pictures up though, what it looked like before and after. Also, we just went to the gas station, put some gas in it, oh, excuse me, put some fuel, or aka diesel now. So we put some diesel in it, and we adjusted the shocks. It's got the Pro Comp coilover shocks, and I'm adjusting the dampening on it to find my sweet spot. So dialed in the suspension, got to put some sway bar end-link bushings on it, or just actually the sway bar bushings, because they're squeaking. Found that one coming in the driveway, so I'll do some of that. We'll probably put those in Friday, my next day off. But anyways guys, I wanted to show you, this is our next big build on the channel. If you guys are enjoying this video, If you guys want to see more of this type of content, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, subscribe today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.